plant power doesn't have to be boring. These absolutely scrumptious carrot fritters or griddles are exceptionally easy to make, only have a couple of ingredients, and take around 10 minutes from start to finish to get onto your plate. And they absolutely just give an extra zing to your day and show you that vegan can be exciting. To 3/4 of a cup of flour, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and a shake of black pepper. Now we're going to add the coconut milk. You need a cup of coconut milk and around a cup of grated carrot, and I've added some Italian parsley. Add the wet ingredients to the dry, add the carrots and the parsley, and now we're going to drop spoonfuls of the mixture into a little hot oil in a pan and fry them on either side for around 3 to 4 minutes. Shallow fry spoonfuls of the mixture in a little hot oil.